Good morning everyone. So today we are going to see a working model for rainwater harvesting. The materials required are pipes, collecting container, gravels, house and rainwater. So let's start the process. So first of all we have taken some rainwater and was poured in a container which was placed over the house as you can see here. And let the container to be fully filled with water so that it could pass through the pipe. And then after the container gets fully filled with water, it gets passed through the pipes and falling into a bottle full of gravels where the water was filtered. Gravels were used here for the removal of floating solid debris. After the filtration of rainwater, it was passed through another pipe and get filled in a collecting container. So the filtered water now we can use for our daily purposes. So this is all about this working model of rainwater harvesting. Thank you.